Hello guys, so we got a lot of recommendation of Nadan Vibe, if I'm pronouncing it right.
Yeah.
So let's react on it.
Yeah, let's go. Oh. Why is it saying Allah 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 in the subtitle? What? Subtitle has gone crazy, guys.
Nice dance.
No subtitle. Oh, good transition. Oh, oh. Whoa! I also can dance like this, by the way. Just don't ask me for proof.
Oh, you dance like him.
Oh, she's so cute, that auntie.
Oh, I can also edit like that.
Whoa! Ah,
Oh,
Tirumali.
his hair matches with his shirt.
They shot in the middle of market. Oh, nice transitions, man.
I understand the lyrics so much.
The boy dances really well. The boy, the guy. Banana.
Everyone is his mustache is
This
so
so I can also do. Oh. Ooh. The transitions, man, I love it. Oh, I also can do that.
Saregama
Khatam,
Padanisa.
done.
Hey, they don't like the. I don't like the ending. Every time I want that chorus again, and they just stop there and then.
Do you remember during our IAO song
Yeah.
reaction, you said, "Arey, I wanted another IAO."
Yeah, here also I was waiting for Saregama Padanisa and
फिर उसके
then-
बाद फिर उसके बाद गाओ सारेगामा पाधानीसा then
Na, 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 na. At least I'm better than subtitle. Allah,
Allah, Allah. In the
Yeah,
subtitle it was-
without any reason. Like
what's going on? Subtitle has gone crazy. Subtitle is not subtitling anymore, guys. So
Yeah.
we turned it off. But even without the subtitle, we could like vibe.
Saregama Padanisa. Na, na,
Again,
na,
it would be a
na,
great
na,
song in
na.
parties, in bar, pub, or even house parties.
Why you as if you used to go every weekend? Like he is coming.
I want to
in
go,
a,
but I don't have
bar
time.
and pub. Like we hardly visit. We
Maybe
hard-
once a month, hardly we go.
month also.
Once a month
it's
we
been
go,
a
na?
decade. Like we didn't go.
Church Street? When was the
Where?
last time we went to Church Street?
It was maybe in the month of Jan or Feb.
That is because it's not out of choice. We are so much busy because
He's
of
like,
YouTube.
He used to like in Tripura as if we had bar and pub.
No,
Like, he's every time-
I'm a Bengalurian now. Okay, I'm not a Tripura boy anymore. I'm proper.
Now you will be Keralite also. Like you
Yeah.
want to be MALLU. also.
MALLU. Yeah, that's a reference to another song reaction that
Yeah.
we have did. We really loved I am a MALLU, I am a Mallu song. That was very, very funny. You will find the link in the description box or in our song reaction playlist. But this song also I really loved. Like, now I do understand that our audience, why they keep recommending, like this was recommended multiple times, right?
Yeah,
By
yeah.
multiple viewers, multiple subscribers. So I do understand the appeal, man. So till now, to be very honest with you, whatever you guys have shared, especially the songs that keeps coming back. So me and Rashmi, we have a WhatsApp group where we take a note of the songs or trailers that keeps coming again and again. So we shoot them in priority, and whatever comes only once or twice, we shoot them later. I'm so sorry if anyone's recommendation we still haven't done it. We'll do it. Just give us some time. So yeah, so I was trying to say ki all the recommendations that you guys have given us till now, all of them.
All of dang.
All of
the
them.
English guru Shashi Tharoor.
Shashi Tharoor
from
proficiency.
Tripura.
I was
Shashi
saying,
Tharoor from Tripura.
take two. All of them, THEM are bangers. All of them are one after one bangers. Like
Bangers.
starting from Malabari.
BANGER.
Starting from Malabari banger, then Ayayo, then all the songs that we have done, Dorothy, Sambar, Olam Up. Every song I am loving, and also Ranam title track
You
that
are
I listen.
loving. I am also loving. Every
Yeah.
song, loving.
Song.
But, but the problem is our
Lyrics.
philosophy is might
Get deleted.
deleted.
Again, yeah.
Also, I don't know why out of any references, I remember the scene of Avisham where the character, I forgot his name also.
कौन सा?
The nose pin guy.
No spin. Shantan.
हाँ Shantan like uniform come. I
इसके साथ इसका क्या connection?
don't know.
What? मतलब what are you trying to say? मतलब what is
Good
that
night,
reference?
guys. Good night.
क्या reference था इसके साथ?
Like I was talking about the bad English. No.
Oh, acha,
So-
bad English. Okay, it's okay. As long as our audience understands, we don't have to be Shashi Tharoor here. Even though Shashi Tharoor, if you're watching this at late night,
Yeah.
please come join us. Oh, now it can be a great plug.
Oh.
Speaking of Shashi Tharoor, do you know your brother, Anirban, me, I actually interviewed Smita Tharoor ma'am. I met Smita Tharoor ma'am during a Bangalore Literature Festival last year. I saw Dr. Shashi Tharoor live also, but
Me too.
yeah, she was also there. But unfortunately, I could not get time to talk to Dr. Tharoor.
He was signing the books.
Yeah, he was getting late for his flight to Kerala. But I did get a chance to talk to Smita Tharoor ma'am. And when I talked to Smita Tharoor ma'am, I shoot my shot, because since in my main channel I shoot podcasts with
Podcast.
industry leaders and content creators and freelancers and all that. I requested ma'am, hey ma'am. Actually, she was the one who suggested, right? When we were talking.
Actually, the thing is, I was taking the clip when they were talking. So she
yeah.
was like, if you could have asked for a podcast, I would have like
Done it.
And
And I was like, Smita Tharoor ma'am is telling me if we could have asked for a podcast, I would have done it. And we were like, huh? Really? You'd really do that?
Yeah.
And she was like, yeah, of course.
She was
Send
really
me in.
cool.
She's
really
very
cool.
cool. Like Dr. Shashi Tharoor's younger sister, Smita Tharoor ma'am, who is also a professor, a lecturer. She has a company of her own. She's a motivational speaker also. She's great. So what I'm trying
Their
to say
English
is,
is just like mine, like good, top notch.
you can be the Tharoor siblings.
Oh yeah.
No, मैं बोल ही नहीं पाया. So what I was trying to say is your bhai, your brother, Anirban from Filmosophy, the star of Filmosophy. Chetta. Chetta also, it's very complicated. There one pronunciation of Chetta means brother, and then another pronunciation of Chetta, मतलब थोड़ा सा hard. It
Is
means
it a gali?
It's a gali. It's like ए साले in Hindi. So I don't know what I'm pronouncing. I mean brother, guys.
I don't trust him. Is it right?
Yeah.
Just,
Arre,
comment में बताना.
when I visited Kerala, my Vaishak bhaiya told me ki, hey, when you say chetta, because when I was going to any shop, chetta one biryani ya one, it's like, hey, be careful. You may, give gali to someone without even knowing. So I was like, anyways,
You can do that.
मैं अभी तक बोल ही नहीं पाया मेरा plug. So I was trying to say, your brother, your chetta, take 3. I did an interview with Smita Tharoor ma'am. I took her podcast with Smita Tharoor ma'am. I'll put the link in the description box if you guys are willing to check it out, because it's a big moment for me. Like getting to talk to Smita Tharoor ma'am is in itself a achievement for me, and now taking her interview is also great. I hope one day if Filmosophy also becomes big, or our personal channels become big, we really love Dr. Shashi Tharoor. We'd love to interact with him, chat with him, take his interview, have a meal with him, Kerala's food, authentic food. But anyways, we are digressing. Talking about Nadan vibe, I thought, yeah, there's nothing much to say. The lyrics we could not understand, but we properly vibed.
Sarigama padanisa.
Even without the lyrics, it's still a banger. We'd of course listen to it again and again later on. So, arey, mosquito hut. So
Low budget, guys.
low budget. Mosquito coming in a ma'am uniform come ma'am mosquito come.
I think we are dragging it. I think like
End karo. So
so for the love of movies, please like, share, subscribe to Filmosophy if it survives.
if Filmosophy survives in the next 3 months. So we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Hello to the loving. क्या करो लेट हो रहा है कितना टाइम अभी 2 बज रहा है
ना मुझे
ओके
सुना है।
हाँ रेडी
ये हुआ कर देते तो मुझे हंसी आती है।
अरे मैं एनर्जी ले रहा हूँ ओके रेडी क्या ओह इतना टायर्ड है अभी खत्म नहीं
अच्छा
होगा
है,
शूटिंग
हंसी
खत्म नहीं होगा
हंस रही हूँ एनर्जी आ रहा है।
एनर्जी आ रहा है ओके गुड ओके रेडी इस बार करते हैं